I'm going to take a Scottish quiz.
Scotland was invaded around 800 CE by Mongols, the French, and Vikings.
Vikings.
You are correct. A cannon shoots one shot each day from Edinburgh Castle. Why do they shoot one shot? To scare off the ghosts, to wake up people sleeping late, or to mark 1 p.m. so sailors can set their clocks.
Mark 1 p.m.
Why they do 1 instead of 1?
So they can save ammunition.
You are correct. The Celtic word ben means big plot, a mountain, or a trash container.
Mountain.
Correct. Mary Queen of Scots' entourage in France was known as the Lassies, the Tartan Trio, or the Views.
Hey Larry, isn't her nickname?
This one I don't know. I thought there were only 3 questions.
The other's 5.
There's 5. Okay.
She had the
Can I hear the options again?
Okay. Mary Queen of Scots' entourage in France was known as the 4 Lassies, the Tartan Trio, or 4 Marys. She was her and 3 ladies in
You're
waiting.
excited about what's going on in the field and want
Say
your
the 3
child
Marys.
or anybody to try
4
it.
Marys.
You
So
can
for
go
4
to the
names.
Youth
Yeah.
Athletics near the main gate and take a clinic in the events.
Okay, one left.
Ages
One
3
left.
to
A wee
103
hairy coo
are invited. So
is
you too
a
can be
long-haired
Highland
cat,
athlete.
a Highland cow, or a traditional Scottish love song.
That is a Highland cow.
Emily
I think I got all 5. Highland Games didn't know there would be quizzes too.
And she had
Flag of Scotland called a saltire,
Thank you.
and your honorary member Clan McNeil for the day.
Oh, thank you.
And is candy for
No, no candy.
Oh,
Now I've got a question for you.
For her
Avel Gaidhlig
What?
Avel Gaidhlig